class would be boring. Talent सबके पास नहीं होता.
Well done, Arjun. You really worked hard.
Hard work? I was born talented. Not everyone can be like me.
Arjun, can you help me with its maths problem?
Sorry, I don't waste my time teaching slow learners. Slow लोगों के लिए fast लोग wait नहीं करते.
Meena looks hurt. Ravi looked disappointed. Scene 2. Pride build walls. Playground scene. Come on, let's choose teams.
Obviously, I will be the captain. I don't want weak players. Solo performance is my style.
That's rude, Arjun.
Truth hurts.
Game starts. Arjun refuses to pass the ball and loses the match.
Impossible.
Talent is important, Arjun, but learning never stops. Arjun sits quietly, realizing his mistake. Scene 4. The lesson of humility. School corridor.
I was wrong. My pride made me blind. Can you forgive me?
Of course, humility makes us grow together. Being humble doesn't make us small, it makes us respected. Good afternoon, Principal Sir! Very good afternoon, students. Remember, students, pride breaks relationships, humility builds them. The taller the tree, the more it bends. Be humble.
Be humble.
In success.
In success.
Kind.
In power.
And great in character. Pride may win applause for a moment, but humility wins hearts forever. Be humble, not proud. Thank you.